A little recording here. It's the 24th of June, 2021, Wednesday evening. We're at our power plant here in Pensacola, and I've seen this for the past several nights. Crows congregating here for whatever reason, I don't know, but at least they're not birds with their eyes all swollen up and dying. I can't get a clear picture video of it because the camera seems to be having some trouble tonight. But this is the best I can do. I got some stills. Alfred Hitchcock, the birds. So whatever makes them congregate here, I don't know. At this power plant. As you can see, that's where we're at. They're all up over here too, above me. So, no, I don't know what the deal is. But you can figure it out maybe. Like I said, they're not birds dying, but they are being drawn to this power plant for some reason. Okay. I'm Godscribe Roger, out.